Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to use the date formula in Excel. In many cases you would find that your dates are mentioned in formats other than what they should be in. A date should usually be in these formats, but many a times you may find your dates to be mentioned like this or something similar. Now, Excel provides you an option to get your dates back, and that's by using the date formula. How do we use it? Let me show you. To use the date formula, we have to type in is equal to date, open the brackets, and now it says year. So this is the default format, year, month, and date. So select the year wherever it is mentioned. So in my case, I have mentioned the year over here. Press comma, and now it says select month. So month is mentioned over here. Comma, now it says select day. Press enter. So now you can get your date like this. So this date is 2nd of October 1910. You can change the format of this date by right clicking it and going to format cells and going to date and choose any of the formats available over here. Like I chose this one. So your date looks like this. In case you want to use the date formula wherein the year can be this. Who cares, right? The month can be this and the year can be this. So this would be your date. Again, you can change the format. I believe you're getting the hang what I'm trying to say over here. So let's use this format. No, it's the same one. See, we can choose any date format whatsoever. For example, this one. See, this is how you use the date formula in Excel. See you in the next video.